Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Tomodachi Life Living the Dream audio issue in Ryujinx. First, open your emulator, and then after you do that, go where it says Options, and go under Settings. And here, you can try to reset the emulator. To do that, just go under here, tick, I want to reset my settings, and then click on Reset, and try to see if it works. If it's still not working, you can also try this. Go to Options, go to Settings, then go under Audio. Change this audio to OpenAL. Once you do that, make sure your volume is still on 100% and press on Apply and OK. Then after that, try to see if it works, and you're done.